Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set snooze settings on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, click on the letter button down below, and then click on menu at the top of the screen on the left side. After that, scroll down to settings, tap on it, scroll down to inbox, click on inbox customization, and tap on snooze settings, which is the fifth option. Here you can customize times in the morning, afternoon and evening. As you click on one of these options, you have the time setting option on the right side of the screen down below, so click on it and set it. Tap on it again, click on save, and you can also set the weekend as well. Then click on the done button at the top and it will be saved and updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.